No, nobody's going outside.
Why? Just show myself.
Yes, that's a perfect way to go.
I'm at the finishing touch now. I'm about to get my post-op massage. This is her. Well, we can't show her face, but that's her. She wants to, that she can. But yeah.
I don't want nobody, I just want you. See, I'm chilling with the gang, bring your friends close, so why we can take it straight to the road. Where nobody come from. I don't want nobody, I just want you. See, I'm chilling with the gang, bring your friends close, so why we can take it straight to the road. See, I don't wanna go about beef right now, but you're stepping on my toe, you're stepping on my toe. And I don't wanna jump in the heat with the kings, I can do it on my own. Do it on my chest, bro. If you see my phone, yeah, that's like her. Baby, yeah, that's like her, like her. If I really had time, I would wipe ya. See, I'm busy doing roll with the white star. If I can't get cool in the right, no way. If I get cool in the right, no way. We go to the place, that's a boom, right, yeah. You can come down, find it, go on, no way. This is the night, he lives the high life. Life is just a drive life. Why you just a drive life? It's a no lie. Wind it up, baby, get up in the place for the wine with us. Wind it up.
Happy birthday, Auntie Tracy.
It's your birthday, so I know you want to ride out. Even if we only go to my house. Sit more easy as we sit upon my couch. Feels good, but I know you want to ride out.
Oh my God.
I think you found it.
Thank you. I don't hold it for a second. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, baby. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much.
Once upon a time, and I heard that I was ugly. Came from a bitch who nigga wanna fuck. I said my face bomb, ass tight, rack stuck in shack height, jury on the flashlight. I've been listening since last night. Hit him with the good, make a nigga act like broke.
So if it's nothing big, it's a miss call. I'm bigger than that. Nigga, that's facts. Told shorty go and bring it right back.
Pussy, I know that's right. Big bad pussy, never really bad. Take a member, let's see, I can party back and all these bitches fuck. It's big bad pussy, never really bad. Take a man, working back, party back and all you bitches fuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. Up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. I can make the party hot, I can make your body rock. Bitches say they fucking with me, chances are they probably not. If I had a date, you probably licking like a lollipop. All speaking Japanese, hit them with karate chops. Forever popping shit, pulling up and dropping shit. Gotta argue with them, cause a nigga love a toxic bitch. Niggas out here playing, gotta make them understand. Ain't no way on my... Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
I don't even know how to turn this TV on. Lit in ATL, baby. Lit. I look cute. I need someone to sit in my back though. We look real good. We look real good. We're about to get lit. I don't know where we're going out tonight, but it's about to be amazing. I look so cute. That's so cute, y'all. I don't know. Oh shit. You guys can probably hear the music in the background, so I can't even vlog.
No, nobody's going outside.
Why? Let them know I'm ATL.
they tell me. They tell me this, they tell me that. They see my bitch, they see her bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, she show me that. I know pull out, she got my back. Although you good, I'm happy that. Although you good, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, when you talk, I go do. Me I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual. She must think they give me love, so one thing too. All of them moves, you can practice it. Put it on top me. Girl, give me love for more though. Girl, you're like in my store. She and me gone, I must go. You know they acting on so. Say everything I do is for my own.
Sweaty and everything, you guys. Literally, look at my body. It's down. I'm literally about to drink my detox tea. Right after this, all the bad toxins can flush out. But I feel so good today. I feel so good today, guys. My body needed to go to the gym. I feel so good. This sweater is from Urban Planet, you guys. I love this fit, but I got a small, but I think it burst. I'm probably gonna have to get a medium in this. These are my favorite fits from them. But yes, hey guys, it's Friday. What's today? Friday, November what? 17th or 18th or whatever. And I did a leave out. It's a V-part wig, you guys. It's a V-part wig. A V-part wig. I love it so freaking much. I was kind of nervous about it because my forehead is a bit, you know, on the wider side. But honestly, I really want to try it out because I'm so over the lace fronts. I do not like lace fronts. I've been on like leaving out my real hair out and things like that. That's the type of vibe I'm on. So I just been doing that lately. And this leave out, you guys, I love it oh so much. My cousin Christina, she braided my hair. When I get home after I'm done all my errands, I'm going to layer it a bit because there's a few parts that just look a bit funny to me. I'm also about to go get my faja adjusted. Sorry guys, it's so bright. But I'm about to go get my faja adjusted because I want my body to be snatched. And I'm 6 months post-op. Even though I've been doing my thing, I'm still sitting on my pillow till this day, you guys. Like, I'm not playing about it. This is a huge investment of mine. So yeah, and I invested in myself, in my body. Thank God for Finishing Touch Spa. She's so amazing. She's the one who showed me that this lady adjusts faja like that. So I'm like, okay, thank God, because I really was like, my faja is so comfortable. Your faja should never be comfortable, by the way. If you are here and you get your body done or whatever, or not even if you get your body done, if you wear your faja just to slim up a bit, if your faja is comfortable, you need to go tighten that up. in my beginning stages, you guys, I was so annoyed. Like, I'm not tightening nothing. I'm over this. I was complaining the whole time because I was so fed up with the whole thing. Like, I was so tired of it. So yeah, but now I'm 6 months post out. I'm just like, you know what? I need to go and get this. You can wait, sir, because you cannot fit. So adjust your faja. Always make that shit tight. Because when you wear your firms, your wrap, your broads and stuff like that, that will expand. But it will expand only because you are shrinking as well. So I'm just like, baby, I want my body to be like, not like, and it wants to go that way. So I'm going to have to get it altered.